Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up, guys? Here we have a 2003 Chevy Impala. We're going to be doing some videos today. If you need parts for your vehicle, check out 1aauto.com. Your wash fluid is right here. You can lift off the cap, take your wash fluid, top it off. And it's good enough. And we'll put the cap back on.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.